Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tejasvi Burjalla, consultant doctor in Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we are going to discuss a very common but important topic, that is irregular periods and its effect on infertility. Every woman experiences irregular periods at some point in their life, but all we know that persistent irregular periods can affect your ability to conceive naturally. In this video we will mainly focus on what irregular periods are, its causes, and how it affects infertility, and also its symptoms, investigations, treatment options, and precautions available for these conditions. Precautions to be followed in a detailed manner. I can explain this clearly on the board. Let's move on to the board. Today we are going to discuss about irregular periods and how these irregular periods affect our fertility. Now coming to the main topic. Now what are irregular periods? Usually our normal period cycle ranges from 21 to 35 days. If this cycle is less than 21 days or more than 35 days with missed unpredictable periods with heavy or light bleeding, we consider it as irregular periods. So irregular periods means there is heavy bleeding, scanty bleeding, and sometimes there may be missed periods. Usually some women experience there is absence of periods, we call it as amenorrhea, while others painful periods and also abnormal bleeding, even bleeding between the periods. All these changes are mainly due to pain and some flow changes. Usually these changes can give us signs of disturbance in our body, so that's why our body can exhibit this type of irregular periods. So irregular periods is nothing but there is a disturbance in menstrual rhythm. This is our body's way of natural signaling that there is health issue in our body or there is hormonal imbalance in our body, so that needs early attention. This is all about the irregular periods. Now coming to the causes of irregular periods. There are multiple causes for these irregular periods. Some hormonal causes like PCOS, which means polycystic ovarian syndrome, thyroid issues, and also increased prolactin levels. All these conditions can lead to irregular periods. In these hormonal levels, there is a disturbance in estrogen and progesterone levels in our body. So our reproductive system will be disturbed. Due to this disturbance in our reproductive system, it can lead to irregular periods. And also some lifestyle factors like stress, anxiety, depression, and also sudden weight gain or weight loss, excessive exercises, poor quality of diet, poor sleep, all these conditions can affect our hormonal imbalance. These hormonal imbalance can lead to irregular periods. And also some medical conditions like ovarian insufficiency. Ovarian insufficiency means there is disturbance in the ovarian function. It means egg is not released from the ovaries, or there is some hormonal disturbance in the ovaries. It is called as ovarian insufficiency. Endometriosis means there is growth of abnormal uterine lining. It means there is a lining in the uterus. We call it as endometrium. This endometrium grows other than the uterus. It means functions in the abnormal site. These functions in abnormal site can cause pain, irregular periods. This tissue can grow due to hormonal changes, and it causes pain and also bleeding. And uterine fibroids, these are the pathological conditions in the uterus, and also some septums in the uterus, infections, all these can cause irregular periods. So irregular periods can be caused by multiple causes. Other than these conditions, some conditions like breastfeeding and also some medications can temporarily arrest the ovarian function that can lead to irregular periods. So irregular periods are mainly due to multiple causes. We have to rule out from the root cause. By identifying this root cause, we can treat this condition. Now coming to how these irregular periods can affect our fertility. Usually our fertility depends upon the regular ovulation. It means regular egg release from the ovaries during each month. Usually this happens in the mid of the cycle. In these irregular periods, there is improper releasing of egg time. It means there is difficult to pursue the fertile window, and some women there is no egg release from the ovary. It can lead to difficulty in perceiving the fertile days and also reduces chance of conception, and also poor egg quality may be maintained. In these hormonal imbalance like irregular period conditions, if pregnancy may happen, this condition may go into miscarriages. It means the uterine doesn't have the capacity to sustain the pregnancy for full term. So these hormonal problems and irregular periods can affect your fertility. So early identification, proper diagnosis is essential for to maintain a natural fertility. So these irregular periods we can difficult in perceiving the fertile days. Now coming to the symptoms of irregular periods. There are so many symptoms in our body due to these irregular periods. Those hormones acting on different parts, by this imbalance in different hormones, you can get different symptoms. Usually menstrual symptoms like there may be absent or heavy, prolonged, scanty bleeding, and some women may experience painful periods also. And also these hormonal imbalance can also affect on our body, skin and hair. It can lead to acne, there is pimples in the face, other body regions, and also oily skin. There is excess secretion of oils from the face, and excess facial hair growth. Excess facial growth is the male pattern condition. Due to this hormonal imbalance, this excess hair growth may be felt in the women also. This excess facial hair, we call it as hirsutism. This is the unwanted excess facial growth in the unwanted sites. This we call it as hirsutism. And also sudden weight gain, and also there is hair thinning. Due to these hormonal changes in the body, it can lead to hair thinning, weight gain, all this condition. These irregular periods may also affect the ovulation. It means there is difficulty in perceiving the fertile window, so the chance of conceiving may be difficult. And some women, this ovulation may not happen. Due to this irregular painful periods, some women get fatigue, weakness, mood changes, and also some breast discharge. It means there is a milky discharge from the breast even though if she is not pregnant. All these conditions is mainly due to hormonal imbalance. It can lead to irregular periods. These are the symptoms we can notice in irregular period condition. If you are suffering from these type of symptoms, early diagnosis and proper care is important to prevent the complications of irregular periods. Now coming to necessary investigations for identifying the irregular periods. Usually doctors may suggest hormonal tests like FSH and LH test. FSH means follicle stimulating hormone. LH means luteinizing hormone. These hormone tests can assess the ovarian function. It means there is proper releasing of egg or not. By these tests, we can know the egg release time. And also by estrogen progesterone test. Estrogen and progesterone are the main hormones in female reproductive system. And also check for prolactin levels. If there is high prolactin levels, it can lead to irregular periods or absent periods. Check for thyroid profile, which include TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, T3, T4 levels. All these thyroid disturbances can create the irregular cycles. And also check for androgen levels. If there is excessive hair growth in the facial region or there is hair thinning, acne, all the symptoms are present, check for androgen levels. In this androgen test, if there is high rise of androgen levels like testosterone levels, it can lead to irregular periods. And also suggest ultrasound in cases where PCOS, ovarian insufficiency, and also uterine fibroids. All these conditions may need ultrasound. By this ultrasound, we can know the endometrial thickness also. Other than this, additional investigations like CBC, it means complete blood count, and also pelvic examination, and in chronic cases, endometrial biopsy and MRI may be required. By this investigation, we can rule out the irregular periods from its root cause. Now coming to the conventional treatment for irregular periods. Conventional treatment is nothing but the allopathic mode of treatment. In this, they prescribe oral contraceptive pills and also hormonal pills to regulate the cycles. They may advise progesterone pills to control the bleeding. These hormonal pills can create temporary relief only. After stopping of these hormonal pills, the condition may usually reappear. In case of thyroid conditions, they may prescribe thyroid medications, and also in case of PCOS, they give insulin test medicines. And in case of high prolactin levels, they advise medicines which can decrease the prolactin hormones in our body. All these hormonal pills can create so many disturbances in our body. These give only temporary relief. They stop it for some time. The irregular problem of irregular periods may reappear, and also may suggest surgery in case of PCOS, ovarian cyst, endometriosis. All these conditions, surgery may be the option. And in case of painful periods, they provide painkiller remedies, anti-inflammatics, analgesics. All this can create lot of disturbances in our body, and also having lot of side effects like mood changes, increased body weight, and also headache, nausea, gastric disturbances. And also in some women, due to continuous usage of these hormonal pills, they may create some problems like palpitations, tremors. All these conditions may be the reason for using hormonal pills. These are the methods following in conventional treatment. Now coming to homeopathic mode of treatment. It means how homeopathy can help irregular periods and infertility. Homeopathy gives holistic approach in the treatment, means by using these homeopathic medicines, we can prevent the recurrence of irregular periods. It means once we are using the medicines for irregular periods, it can improve our body's natural immunity, and also it can balance the natural hormones in our body, so that it may prevent the recurrence of irregular problems in the future. And also by using this homeopathic medicine, we can cure the conditions like fibroids, PCOS, and also in some medical conditions. Not only giving treatment, we can assess the disease from its root cause, so that we may get relief from the symptoms like acne, excessive hair growth, hair thinning, weight gaining, mood changes. All these conditions can be relieved by using homeopathic medicines without any side effects. Homeopathic medicines are safe, effective, and timely. Why these are safe, effective, timely means these are the natural medicines, so there is no side effects in case of using homeopathic medicines. Homeopathic medicines act from the root cause of the disease, so that the disease can be treated from its root cause. There is no recurrence of disease in the future cases. Homeopathic medicines act deeply from our root cause It means it can enhance the disease from its root cause. With early care and proper homeopathic treatment, we can prevent the complications of disease conditions and also worsening of the hormonal imbalance like PCOD, thyroid problems, infertility issues. All these conditions can get better relief by using homeopathic medicines. Homeopathic medicines offer safe, effective, and holistic care. Now, coming to the precautions for irregular periods, there are so many precautions to be followed. One is maintaining healthy and balanced diet. It means eat regularly and also eat balanced diet. It means food rich in nutrients, leafy vegetables, fruits, cereals, vitamins, and iron-rich foods. And also do physical activity regularly and moderately. These moderate physical activity like walking, cycling, swimming can improve the blood circulation and reduce the hormonal imbalance. Manage stress by doing yoga, breathing exercises, and also some stress relieving techniques. These stress can cause the hormonal imbalance. By managing these stress, we can improve our regular cycles. If you are suffering from these prolonged or irregular cycles, don't skip these irregular periods. Why? Because by skipping of these irregular cycles, it may lead to severe complications and worsening of the presenting problem. And also keep track of your menstrual cycle. It means using a calendar or any menstruating apps so that we can keep track of your menstrual periods. If you have any issues in these cycles, we can know it early. Women may get insulin resistance, thinning of the hair, increased weight gain, and also excessive facial hair growth. All these conditions may be developed due to neglecting of irregular periods. Irregular periods may need timely awareness, early diagnosis, and proper treatment. By using this, we can prevent the complications of irregular periods. If you are struggling from irregular periods, painful periods, PCOS problems, difficulty in conceiving, Fidicus homeopathy is the best option. What do you get from Fidicus homeopathy means the success of case mainly depends on three main steps. One is the treating doctor, second one is the infrastructure we are following. Now coming to drug devices we are following. Fidicus homeopathy is the best in segment and we are also purchasing medicines from best pharmaceutical companies. Fidicus homeopathy following infrastructure is of latest technology and artificial intelligence. By using this latest technology and artificial intelligence as a treatment option, we can give better results to the patient. All these are the advantages of selecting Fidicus homeopathy. Now coming to the consultation part of Fidicus homeopathy. Fidicus homeopathy provides two types of consultation. One is online consultation. Second one is in-person consultation. In online consultation, audio and video call option available. By using this option, you can share your reports to us. If any reports are necessary, we will let you know. You can get it back locally and send it back to us. After completing the case taken, the main part of treatment will be started. Once treatment will be started, we will ship your medicines to your doorstep wherever you are in the world. If you are staying in India, it will take 3 to 4 business working days. If you are staying other than India, it will take 3 to 8 business working days. If you want to get consultation Fidicus homeopathy by in person, you can visit our nearest branch and get consultation. Now coming to how to get consultation Fidicus homeopathy. This is our WhatsApp number 7997101303. By using this number, you can call or message to us and get consultation. If you have any doubts about Fidicus homeopathy, this is our website www.fidicus.com. By using this website also, you can get consultation. Why Fidicus homeopathy only? There are so many corporate hospitals, so many hospitals, homeopathic hospitals are there. Why Fidicus only means because Fidicus homeopathy stands for highest chance of health, and also Fidicus homeopathy mainly follows three main principles. One is the highest success rate, second one is a transparent treatment, third one is a personal care. Regarding PCOS, hormonal imbalance, irregular periods, Fidicus homeopathy having highest success rate. Fidicus homeopathy provides transparent treatment. It means we can maintain transparency between the patient and the doctor. We can clarify their doubts and prognosis of the disease condition to the patient. And we are also providing personal care. Personal care means we can give unique treatment to each and every patient, and we can also clarify their doubts and myths about the disease condition, and we can also advise them to maintain a healthy and balanced life. These are all the advantages of selecting Fidicus homeopathy. Now we discussed about what are irregular periods, its causes, investigations, how it affects fertility, and also the precautions and treatment options in a detailed manner. So irregular periods is not just a change in date. It is our body gives natural signs. It means there is something affect in our body. There is hormonal imbalance in our body. We need to correct them. So if you are struggling from irregular periods and also PCOD and difficulty in conceiving, Fidicus homeopathy is here to help you with safe, effective, and holistic approach, and also support your journey towards parenthood, and also helps to regain your natural immunity like hormonal balance. Thanks for watching.
Fidicus Homeopathy.